Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel subscription in BLK. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So BLK is a dating app. So to cancel its subscription, you need to simply tap on settings. So once you tap on settings, you need to now tap on your Apple ID on the top of the screen. Once you tap on your Apple ID, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can find different kinds of options. So from here, you need to simply select and tap on the options called subscription. So once you have done this, you will end up in this interface where you can find your active subscriptions and your inactive subscriptions. So in the active section, you can find your BLK app. So simply tap on BLK, which will allow you to be redirected to a different kind of interface where you will be shown all your subscription details about your BLK dating app. So once you're in this interface, you need to simply find the option called cancel subscription and simply tap on it. Once you tap on cancel subscription, you need to now confirm that you want to really cancel your subscription of BLK. Once you tap on confirm, you will be able to cancel your BLK subscription. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.